Okay, so here in this video, what I'm doing is kind of just taking you along so you can see the process of um, making a mask or just designing embroidery, creating an embroidery design from start to finish. So this design can go on a mask or a t-shirt or whatever. I'm mainly doing masks right now, so this is going on a mask. And what I'm doing now is I'm just using Embrilliance Essentials, which is a basic software. I use two softwares. This one is just a very basic one. I don't use this one that often, but I'm using this one this time for this particular design because it was just convenient, and I'm only doing words and just an image I already have on hand. So that's what I'm doing here, just editing the words, selecting my font, and that's about it for this portion of the video and the editing of the design and the laying it out.